What's up guys, it is your boy Gold Dust Plays. We are back with another prank video, and today I have a new cameraman and we're going to be ding dong ditching a bunch of people and trolling them, so let's get into it.
How's it going?
I'm the Prime Minister's messenger and we would like to give you $10,000, sir.
Sounds good. Thanks, mate.
He was super nice. He just said, how's it? Hi, I'm Johnny Albanese, and I am the Prime Minister's son.
That would be amazing if you were.
Yeah, so we have the chance to offer you another story to your house. Isn't that amazing, bro? $200 only. Very, very cheap.
I mean, that's cool. It's not mine to do, but thank you anyway.
That's okay.
That's awesome.
Johnny Albanese out.
Thanks, man.
Hi, my name is Johnny Albanese, and I'm the Prime Minister's son, and we would like to add... That's okay. We would like to add another story to your house, and it's only $200 more.
What?
I'm the President's son, Johnny Albanese. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you as well.
Yeah. So basically, Anthony Albanese, my father, we're going to be adding another level to everyone's houses in this neighborhood.
Okay.
For $200 only.
Why is your...
Oh no, this is not recording, look. Hi, my friend would like to promote something to you. Make sure you subscribe to this person on YouTube.
Alright, sounds good. We'll do it later.
Alright.
Wonderful.
yeah, who's it? What am I talking?
We would just like to ask if you would like to, subscribe to my channel.
What's your channel?
My friend will show you.
Okay.
Yeah.
What do you guys do?
We do, I do gaming videos and stuff.
Oh, okay. Alright, let me know the name and then I'll have a look at it, okay?
Alright, it's called Gold Dust Plays X.
If you have a child, like an older child, like a son,
Oh
you might enjoy.
no. All my kids and my girl, 2 girls, and they're both little. What is it called? Gold?
Dust Plays X.
Gold Dust?
Plays X.
Plays X. Okay. I'll have a look, okay?
Okay, thank you. Are you busy right now?
Yes, but I can quickly, I'm in a meeting, yes?
Okay.
How can I help?
Oh no, we just wanted to talk about something like a YouTube channel. That's all.
Yeah.
We can come back later. That's okay.
Okay, thank you so
That's
much.
okay. Hi. Are you free right now?
For a few minutes?
Okay. Would you like to subscribe to our channel?
No.
That's okay.
That's okay. Thank you.
Okay guys, we're gonna go prank that guy over there. This is just a warm-up. Hey sir, I was just curious why you're wearing that mask.
What?
Hi sir. Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
What do you want?
Why are you wearing that mask?
Mask?
Yeah. Gangster. Oh, that's okay. Yeah.
It is mask.
Yeah. Yeah.
Then what I have to do now?
Yeah.
Speak out. What I have to do?
Yeah.
What yeah?
Yeah. Yeah.
I don't understand what is yeah.
It's okay. Yeah. It's okay. It's okay, sir.
Okay.
Yeah. It's okay, sir. Oh no. Oh, hi, sir.
बेटे how are you?
Good.
और कहाँ घूम रहे आज?
It's cold, huh?
Oh, that's good.
Yeah. You know, hard times.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Everything is fine.
Yeah.
Good.
I like that jacket.
Oh, thank you.
You should shop from cheapstore.com. They have really nice shirts there for winter, you know. Yeah, cheapstore.com. Remember that name.
Thank you.
All right, bye, sir.
Bye.
Hi, it's me again, the Prime Minister's son. And this time, we'd like to add another story to your house for $200.
Where do I get my 10 grand from?
Oh, you have to go to the website, primeminister.com.gov.au.
Sounds good. Thank you.
Bye.